Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe someone you know who is a good cook. You should say who this person is, how you know her, what kinds of food she cooks, and explain why this person is good at cooking.
One person I know who is a great cook is my aunt, who I've known for my entire life. She's my father's sister and lives in the same city as my family, so we see her often for family gatherings and holidays. My aunt's specialty is Indian cuisine, which is her heritage. She can make a wide variety of Indian dishes, such as shahi paneer, dosa, curry, samosa, palak paneer, and many others. I've always been impressed by how authentic her food tastes, and I can tell that she puts a lot of care and attention into each dish she makes. What sets my aunt apart from other cooks is her attention to detail. She has an incredible sense of taste and knows exactly how to balance the flavors and textures of each dish. For example, her curry is perfectly spicy and tangy, and her soup has just the right mix of vegetables and meat. Additionally, my aunt is always willing to experiment with new ingredients and flavors. She's not afraid to try new recipes or tweak old ones to make them even better. She's also a great teacher and has taught me and other family members how to make some of her favorite dishes. Overall, I think my aunt is a great cook because she has a deep passion for cooking and is always striving to improve her skills. She's able to create delicious and authentic Indian dishes that are both comforting and impressive. Whenever I have the chance to eat her food, I always look forward to it and know that it will be a treat. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.